Hello friends, today's topic is tooth sensitivity. Tooth sensitivity is one of the most common complaints encountered in our everyday life. Tooth sensitivity is caused due to the exposure of dentine surface. Now let's see what are the causes of tooth sensitivity. Food habits. Ingestion of hard and acidic food drinks like citrus, fruits, beverages, aerated drinks, etc. can contribute to tooth sensitivity. Overconsumption of acidic food and drinks can cause painful sensitivity in your teeth. Brushing habits. Improper brushing technique. Brushing your teeth aggressively in a horizontal fashion, especially with a hard bristled toothbrush, can result in tooth sensitivity. Tooth decay. A plaque containing bacteria which produces an acid that erodes your tooth enamel, gradually leading to tooth sensitivity. Use of teeth whitening therapy or whitening toothpaste. Sensitivity can be a temporary side effect of the teeth whitening treatment. Frequent use of improper at-home tooth whitening products can also cause tooth sensitivity. Gum problem. Gum recession is a common problem in people over the age of 40, can cause sensitivity. Also, excessive flossing can damage your gums, causing sensitivity. Cracked or split tooth. A cracked tooth can cause pain when you chew or bite on a hard substance and can result in a tooth sensitivity. Recent dental restoration. You may experience temporary sensitivity after you have done dental treatment, but this would subside within 4 to 5 weeks. Cold weather. When teeth comes in contact with cold air, then it can trigger a sensitive tingles. Bruxism. Bruxism is a grinding of the teeth during sleep, which can cause the wearing of the tooth enamel, resulting in tooth sensitivity. Chewing on ice. If you are having a habit of ice chewing, it can damage or break your teeth, resulting in tooth sensitivity problem. Pregnancy. It does not directly cause tooth sensitivity, but there are hormonal changes that can affect your gum, which in turn may lead to discomfort and dental pain. Now, what are the treatment for tooth sensitivity? Enamel erosion can expose dentine and causes tooth sensitivity. Your dentist will identify the underlying cause of the sensitivity and recommended suitable interventions like fluoride therapy, gingival graft surgery, etc. Your dentist may recommend a root canal treatment when other procedures are not effective for sensitive teeth. If tooth sensitivity is due to tooth decay, then the restoration of these teeth is the ideal choice of treatment. In case of grinding habit, then your dentist after proper examination will suggest a set of night guards. In the case of wearing of enamel tooth surface, composite filling, tooth color filling will be the best line of treatment. Prevention of tooth sensitivity. Use of fluoridated toothpaste and desensitizing toothpaste. Brushing your teeth using a soft bristles or the medium bristle toothbrush. Using mouthwash containing fluoride for 3 months. Avoid taking highly acidic food and drinks. Wearing a mouth guards if you are having a habit of grinding your teeth. So the final conclusion for the sensitivity problem is, consult your dentist for the treatment option and determine the best solution for your sensitive teeth, and follow all the precautions required to control the sensitivity problem. So friends, if you like this video, please don't forget to share, subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.